How to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to turn on dark mode on Instagram, recently Instagram has made a new update that is different for iOS and Android users. If you open up Snapchat, what you need to do to turn on dark mode is you need to tap the profile option from the bottom right of the screen first, come to the profile page and then tap the three lines icon from the top right and then just go to settings. Now if you're lucky, then you will find this option over here known as dark mode. Sometimes it will be written as theme, sometimes it is going to be written as dark mode. If I want to switch to dark mode, I'm going to tap on this option and then here I can just turn on dark mode, or I can turn it off, or I can use system default, which means that if my phone is in dark mode, Instagram will switch to dark mode and it will follow accordingly if I'm on light mode. Now just in case you don't have this option, sometimes because on my other account I didn't have this option, in that case what I want you to do is simply turn on dark mode on your system. And when you turn on dark mode on your system, your Instagram app is also going to follow accordingly if that is not the case. If you've chose right over here, which means dark mode, you can say system default. If it doesn't work, then just try to refresh the Instagram application itself. So you can just go ahead and then relaunch the Instagram application and you'll be switched to dark mode. Otherwise you can just leave it on the light theme. So this way you can turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.